Hello everyone, welcome to our channel AG Networking. Today we are see how to use Pocket Tracer in detail. Let's start. First of all, this icon, click here and open that particular software. Wait a 1 minute. Now we have clicked on guest login. Now wait 10 seconds. Then confirm guest. So this is software is open. Now we are opening big screen. So first of all, I will show you a minor setting. Let's see. This is preferences. Here is click always on. So port label. Then many setting here is available. And you have increased your font size. Then click here font and size minimum and maximum. I have 12. So this is a normal setting. Now I have closed that tab. Now I tell you what is use of Cisco Pocket Tracer. Pocket Tracer is the cross-platform visual simulation tool designed by Cisco system that allows use to create a network and topologies and limited modern computer networks. The software allows use to simulate the configuration of Cisco routers and switches using simulated command line interface. I will show you in next video how to use that command and CLI videos. Now I will tell you same software is GNS3 is available. Now I will show you this software basic products. So this is many types of router are available in this software. That we check one. This is router 2811 and now I will open that software. This is a real layout. This router originally looked like that. Look like this. This is on off switch. In this router we have applied many ports, but first of all we turn off switch and then we have apply here. Then after turn on switch. This is router how will look like that. Turn off this. Then after we will see end devices. Click here and this is many devices are available. PC, laptop, server, printer, IP phone, VoIP devices, phone, TV, many router we have used. Let's see one. This is the laptop and we will open it. This device originally looked like original laptop. See. In this available IP configuration, terminal, command prompt, web browser, PC wireless, many systems are available in laptop. Then after we will see components. Let's click here and this is MCU board. One type of microcontroller board. See, zoom in, turn on, turn off switch. This is one type of microcontroller board. Then after we will see connecting cables. This is many types of cable are available. USB cable, IoT custom cable, octal, serial cable with timer, coaxial cable, phone cable, fiber cable, proper crossover cable, copper straight through cable, and this is console cable. This symbol look like automatically cable is connected. Now I will show you how to connect it automatically. First of all click here, then router click here, laptop click here. This is simply connected between two devices automatically. Now I will tell you multi-user We have seen more function of more product of Cisco Pocket Tracker. This is switch. This is many type of switch. Switch layer 2, layer 3 switch. This is a layer 2 switch. This is layer 3 switch. This is simple switch 2960, and this is hubs, PT hub, and then after this is wireless devices. uh, Many types of devices. This is a cell tower, this is core server, this is home gateway. Many types of, this is wireless access point, means we can call router, wireless router. And this is main important firewall, ASA firewall we can call this. This is ASA firewall, 5505 firewall. This is also cloud available. This is empty shell, DSL modem, cable modem. Many types of feature are available in this software. We can see real time and simulation. Click simulation, then we have start here. See, we can track that packet, how to works and how to doesn't works. In this software we can see logical overview. This is a logical overview and this is a physical overview. In physical overview, double click that, double click, we have see many show for distribution device, router, multi-layer switch 1, switch 0, hub, ASA firewall, cloud 1. We have changed also in software temperature also, environmentals. See, now get back logical view. So this is a basic overview Cisco Pocket Tracer. Now we have seen next video, we have seen basic function of router, switches, why we are used. So do you like that video? Please comment, share, subscribe. AG Networking Brothers. Thank you.